In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your account settings on Hostinger. We'll guide you through the process so you can seamlessly navigate through the platform with ease and confidence. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by visiting the Hostinger homepage. Simply open up your preferred web browser and go to hpanel.hostinger.com, and once you're there, you'll see the familiar interface of Hostinger's control panel, also known as the H panel. This is where you can manage all aspects of your hosting setup. Next, we'll focus on the billing section. On the main dashboard of your H panel, keep an eye out for the Billing tab. With just a click on Billing, you'll be redirected to the Billing Management area. This is where you can manage your payments, invoices, and other financial details pertinent to your Hostinger account. Once you're in the Billing section, locate and click on Subscriptions. This area provides an overview of all your current subscriptions. Here you'll find detailed information about your active plans, including their respective expiration dates, renewal options, and much more. This step is crucial in ensuring that you're always on top of your service status and avoid any unwanted interruptions. Move on to the next step, where you will need to highlight your specific subscription. This is done by simply locating your desired subscription from the list and clicking on it. Selecting your subscription this way ensures that any adjustments or information you wish to access will align with your specific account setup. Then, from the highlighted array of options, press on Account. This action serves as a bridge to the comprehensive management of your account particulars. Having access to your account area allows you to update your personal information, explore security settings, and oversee other profile-related components. Navigate next to Account Information. Clicking on this option gives you a complete view of all the personal details you've provided to Hostinger, such as your email, phone number, and other identifiers. Ensure that the information here is up-to-date and accurate to maintain seamless communication with Hostinger services. Finally, for those who might need to take a significant step, the option to Delete Account is available. It's located within your account management settings. Clicking this implies the termination of your Hostinger profile along with associated services. It's important to proceed cautiously here, ensuring that this decision aligns with your needs. And there you have it. This is how you navigate and manage your account settings in the Hostinger H panel. By following these steps, you can confidently handle everything from subscription management to potential account closure. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And as always, thank you for watching.